Today's learning goal is to identify the direction a parabola opens. The work is in IXL, grade 10, R1. A parabola comes from a cone. So here you can see the shape of a cone. But when you slice the cone in a very specific way, when the cone is sliced so that the parabola's side is a cross-section that's parallel to the cone, it makes this really cool shape called a parabola. So that's where parabolas come from. So parabolas can look like this, or they can be skinny, or they can be wide, they can be upside down, they can go left, or they can go right. Parabolas can have lots and lots of different shapes and sizes. And what we're investigating today is whether or not parabolas open up, down, left, or right. So all you have to think about is where the open part of the parabola is. So if we have a parabola that opens to the top, we say it opens up. This parabola opens up. And you would see it when you see an equation like y equals x squared. If the parabola opens down, the open part would be down. And you would see that when you have an equation that looks like y equals negative x squared. The negative sign is what flips the parabola upside down. We can also see parabolas open to the right and open to the left. So if we see a parabola like this purple one that opens right, because the open side is to the right, and you would see that when you see an equation that might look like x equals y squared. Parabolas can also open to the left, like this green one. This green parabola opens left. And you would see that when you see x equals negative y squared. Okay? So the work for today is in IXL, grade 10, R1.